are you doing? You're what? You're having a picnic? Where'd you learn about picnics? I see you standing up there. Okay. Why are you making a loud noise? This isn't your room. This is the living room. This is everybody's room. No, this is everybody's room. What did you learn in dance class today? You learned how to do that? All right. All right, you ready to get in the bathtub? You're having a picnic right now? Well, the picnic's over, kiddo. Are you a ballerina? You are? All right.